Your office. Why did you seek chiropractic care?
Because of my back.
Yeah.
My back was, well, my leg is still numb, but it's better than it was. But I had a pinched nerve, they told me, in the lower back. And then it threw everything else out of alignment too. And I couldn't sleep nights. Now I can sleep all night. I don't have the pain I did have. It's a big improvement.
Yeah. That's awesome. And so were there certain things that was preventing you from doing before you came in here?
Well, I couldn't do hardly anything. I kept falling and everything else.
Yeah.
You know, my leg had just dropped me. I haven't fell in a year now. But before I'd get up to go someplace and the leg would drop me and I'm on the floor.
Yeah. So you wouldn't have any strength in your legs and they would just
No.
give away.
No, I was fouled up.
Yeah. That's awesome. And you're sleeping better? You're sleeping through the night?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Now, the only time I got to get up now is not from pain. If I have to go to the bathroom, pee or whatever, you know, it'll wake me up. But then before, well, I had heat on it, everything else, and I could sleep maybe 2 hours, and then I was up again.
Yeah.
And do it all over. Now I can sleep straight through.
That's amazing. And what would you say to somebody who is suffering with pain, who's thinking of going to consult a chiropractor?
Do it. Don't put it off.
Yeah. That's awesome, Ben. Listen, you're doing great. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Doc.
You're welcome.